Bring the next crates over here. Watch your step, they're heavy. Almost full now.
Keep coming straight back, driver. You're clear on the left.
Keep the flow steady on line 3.
Looks good from here, almost full.
The pressure is steady. We can increase the flow to tank 2.
Acknowledged. Adjusting the valve now.
Keep an eye on the vibration levels as I add this batch.
Levels are stable. Looks like we're getting good separation already.
The filtration stage, where avocado oil passes through filters in the avocado oil production system, removing impurities.
Temperature holding steady at 20 degrees Celsius.
Flow rate looks good. Proceeding with transfer.
Batch 47B color saturation is within spec.
Confirmed. Flow rate is optimal.
Monitor the fill levels closely this hour.
Copy that. The last few look perfect.
Okay, team, next pallet goes to row 12. Make sure they're stacked evenly.
Keep it coming back. Watch your left side. Right there, drop it. Copy that.
Watch the pallet, I'm bringing it in.
All right, easy now. We need this ready for the floor.
Should we get this organic one or the cold pressed?
The cold press is better. Look, this one is on sale too. Oh,
Perfect, let's take it.
Is the avocado oil production ecosystem, carefully managed from the orchard through the factory, all the way to retail shelves.
We've stabilized the energy consumption on the presses.
Look at that, the optimization is holding steady at 95%.
The data suggests we can increase the throughput without compromising the quality score.
The adjustment worked. We are seeing a significant rise in efficiency.